Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss class 10 chapter 10 light plane mirrors. Please like this video and share, subscribe to my channel and share your comments in the comment section. Let us go for today's topic, real and virtual images. Real images and virtual images. The images which can be caught on the screen is known as real image, or the image which cannot be caught on the screen are known as virtual images. And now let us go to the first topic, real images. Real images and objects are formed by actual rays of light. Real image. See this diagram. These are the light rays. This is the real image, and this is the virtual image. Next, virtual images. Virtual images and objects do not really exist, but only seem to be at a location. Virtual images are on the opposite side of the mirror from the incoming rays. This is about the real images and virtual images. Real images can be obtained on the screen, and virtual images cannot be obtained on the screen. Next, plane mirrors. First, what is a mirror? Mirror is a polished surface which reflects almost all the light incident on it. Mirrors types. Plane mirrors. Nature of image formed by a plane mirror. This is here. This is a virtual image. Distance between object and distance between image is same. Nothing but object distance is equals to image distance, and this is the height. Image height. This is object height. Object height is equals to image height. Image formed by a plane mirror always virtual and erect. The size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Distance between the image and the mirror is equals to the distance between the object. The image is laterally inverted. And next, focal length of a plane mirror is infinite. Next, go for next. These are the characteristics of a plane mirror. First one, object size is equals to image size, and object distance from the mirror is equals to image distance from the mirror. This attitude, that is orientation, is always upright. Always forms a virtual image. Image is reversed, nothing but lateral inversion. Lateral inversion, nothing but the phenomenon of left hand become right hand or right hand become left hand. This is about the lateral inversion. In the plane mirror, the image is reversed, that is left to right. Object size is equals to image size, and object distance is equals to image distance, and attitude is always upright, and the plane mirror forms a virtual image. Next, what are the uses of plane mirrors in daily life? A plane mirror is used as a looking glass to view ourselves. Next, by interior designers to create an illusion of depth. Third one, to fold light as in a periscope and other optical instruments. Next, to make kaleidoscope an interesting toy. These are the uses of plane mirror in daily life. Uses of plane mirrors. Bathroom mirrors are plane. They can be used to check appearance. Periscopes use two plane mirrors to allow you to see over or around objects. This is the figure to represent the periscope. Here we are using two plane mirrors. This is a one plane mirror, and it is also another plane mirror. and these two plane mirrors are situated at an angle 45 degrees, and this is the periscope. Periscopes are used in submarines. Okay, in this session what we discussed, what is an image and a real image, virtual image, mirror. Mirror is a polished surface which reflects almost all the light incident on it, plane mirror and uses of plane mirrors, and these are plane mirrors uses in our daily life and in our scientific purpose, that is in science. Okay, these are all the uses of plane mirrors. Thanks for watching this video.